Warm greetings to all. Today we delve into an important topic, liver health. The liver, a formidable organ, holds the title of being the largest gland in our body, performing a staggering 500 or so essential tasks. It's a heavyweight, tipping the scales between 3.17 and 3.66 pounds. A workhorse of an organ, the liver is involved in crucial functions like producing bile to aid digestion, metabolizing carbohydrates and fats, storing vitamins and minerals, and even supporting blood clotting. It's a vigilant guardian, filtering our blood, and a competent chemist, metabolizing proteins. Moreover, it plays a role in our immune response and maintains the correct pressure in our blood vessels. Keeping this vital organ healthy is paramount for our overall well-being. So, join us as we explore 7 foods that work wonders in cleansing and repairing your liver. Now, let's uncover the 7 foods that are beneficial for your liver. First on our list is garlic. Packed with compounds like allicin and selenium, garlic activates liver enzymes that work tirelessly to flush out toxins. It's a superfood that helps stimulate the liver into action and aids in its natural cleansing process. Next up is grapefruit. High in both vitamin C and antioxidants, grapefruit increases the natural cleansing processes of the liver. A glass of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice helps boost production of liver detoxification enzymes and works wonders to reduce toxins in the liver. Thirdly, we have beets and carrots. Both are extremely high in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene. Eating beets and carrots can help stimulate and improve overall liver function. Our fourth liver helper is green tea. This liver-loving beverage is full of plant antioxidants known as catechins, a compound known to assist liver function. Green tea is not only delicious but also a great way to improve your overall diet. Fifth, we have leafy green vegetables. One of our most powerful allies in cleansing the liver, leafy greens can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. High in plant chlorophylls, greens literally suck up environmental toxins from the bloodstream. Avocados claim the 6th spot on our list. They help the body produce glutathione, a compound necessary for the liver to cleanse harmful toxins. Avocados encourage overall liver health and significantly support the way your liver functions. Last but not least, we have apples. High in pectin, apples hold the chemical constituents necessary for the body to cleanse and release toxins from the digestive tract. This, in turn, makes it easier for the liver to handle the toxic load during the cleansing process. Incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can significantly boost your liver health. These foods not only taste great, but also help cleanse your liver naturally, ensuring it runs smoothly and continues its role as the body's detoxifier. So, don't wait. Give your liver the boost it needs and deserves by incorporating these foods into your diet. It's clear then how diet plays a critical role in maintaining liver health. The food we consume directly impacts the liver's ability to function optimally. When we overindulge or consume processed or fried foods, our liver becomes overworked, struggling to process toxins and fats efficiently. Conversely, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can significantly enhance liver function. It can stimulate the liver's natural ability to expel toxic waste, ensuring it performs its over 500 essential tasks effectively. A healthy diet can also help prevent liver diseases, such as fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Just as we fuel our cars for optimal performance, we must fuel our bodies. Choosing the right foods can cleanse, repair, and even rejuvenate our liver, promoting overall health and well-being. We must remember, our diet is a key player in our overall health and well-being, including our liver health. As we conclude our journey into liver health, let's remember the importance of care and nourishment for our bodies. The food we eat, the habits we cultivate, and the environment we surround ourselves with all have a profound effect on our liver health. This journey of understanding the liver's role is not a one-time venture, but a lifelong commitment to our well-being. In the same vein, we invite you to continue this journey with us. Your support is invaluable, so please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more healthful insights. Now let's end with a powerful scripture, James 5:14-15. Is anyone among you sick? Let them call the elders of the church to pray over them and anoint them with oil in the name of the Lord. And the prayer offered in faith will make the sick person well. The Lord will raise them up. If they have sinned, they will be forgiven. Let's take this message to heart as we strive for better liver health. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay healthy, stay blessed,